Alright, the game just ended here. You can see Kotoko beat Accra Lions 9 minutes goal, and the game ended in a 1-0 win for Asante Kotoko. I was disappointed with the first half performance, but the second half performance was much better. Lamptey controlled the game. I think he's my man of the match. He also gave the assist in the 9 minutes to give Kotoko the win. So I think it's like a turning point for Asante and his boys, and they have to take advantage of this win. This is the first win of the season, and it's one of those games where you say, Kotoko played badly in the first half, but second half they came up and scored a goal. Lamptey played well. Kotoko defense did very well. Even though Accra Lions played well, I could have scored in one or two occasions, but Kotoko defense did very well to stop them out. Then Kotoko attack, I think Mukwala is still lacking his finishing touches. I think he needs to work on himself. Carlo Otara was actually better when he came on, and I think Kotoko needs to improve on this performance. And if they do that, I'm 100% sure they are going to go far and ultimately win the league. But so far, what I've seen today in the second half shows me that Kotoko can actually perform well if they want to. On a good pitch, Kotoko is a very good team, and I can tell you that Asante will be pleased with what he saw in the second half. So that's all. I hope you did enjoy that. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.